Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If the clean filter light on your LG portable air conditioner keeps showing up even after cleaning, or you are simply unsure how to reset it, you are definitely not the only one dealing with this. Many people clean the filter and expect the message to disappear automatically, only to notice the reminder still sitting on the screen. Since this feature is designed to remind you about airflow maintenance after a certain amount of use, sometimes a quick reset is needed to clear the notification completely. The process is usually simple once you know which buttons to check, and it only takes a moment to get everything back to normal. In this video, we are going through an easy way to reset the clean filter reminder on an LG portable air conditioner. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the LG portable air conditioner before checking the filter area for dust or buildup. Step 2. Remove and clean the filter inside the LG portable air conditioner if it has not been cleaned recently. Step 3. Allow the filter from the LG portable air conditioner to dry completely before placing it back. Step 4. Press and hold the filter reset button on the LG portable air conditioner for several seconds. Step 5. Watch the display on the LG portable air conditioner and check if the clean filter reminder disappears. Step 6. Turn on the LG portable air conditioner and confirm it runs normally after the reset.